Jesse, go for the mid.
I can't.
Guys, come to the top.
I can't.
Okay, never mind. We have a dragon that nobody wants.
Okay, now I can.
Hurry up and do it because I'm gonna die.
I am trying to. Give me a sec. I just need to make sure there's no one here.
Nice. Totally needed that.
Yeah, I know.
The enemy is attacking your core.
Yeah.
Defend me, Gabe.
My way over there. Don't worry about the loss. Damn it, they got me. We didn't do that much damage to them.
Yeah, I know. Dude, holy shit, can this guy back me up?
Nope.
Your core is under attack.
Fuck me. Dude, this teammate's also stupid though, dude. He also doesn't pay attention to, like, you know, fucking reading the map and looking at teammates. That's another thing I've noticed that's retarded about him.
My heart continues.
Oh, he's dead.
Shit!
He should be alive.
Ah! You guys get those guys on the bottom, get those siege guys. Shit. Get the siege guys, don't worry about anyone else, just get the siege guys. Okay, now let's get...
Soon the shrines shall awaken the heroes.
Dude, someone get the fucking generator on top! Never mind, he's dead. Damn it, guys! Read the fucking map!
I was downstairs, attacking the guys downstairs.
Activate the shrines.
Grab the shrines, grab the shrines. Mount up and grab the shrines. Just mount up and grab the shrines. Maria, don't fuck them. Just grab the shrine. Grab the...
Shut the fuck up! I know.
Oh my god, there's already a bastard there.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
We'll just run out. Run out of it. Just get out of there, man.
Nice.
We'll grab the bottom one, so don't worry about that. She failed on that. Oh, that's funny.
I have the bottom.
I'm almost... Shit.
I'm dead.
Yeah, Maria's probably gonna die.
I am dead. No problem. Yeah.
Let's try that again.
God damn it, I'm sick of this fucking begging.
Oh, dude, we really need to kill that Cho'Gath guy, whatever the fuck he's...
It seems you have lost a key.
The thing is, he's stronger than ours.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking always come back, like right away. What's that?
Fuck me! I killed him, but then I died because Jaina came in there.
Yeah.
Dude,
Never has a long wait. It's bullshit.
fuck Gabe.
He had 3 seconds and he's already back. What the fuck, dude?
Dude, the guy, that's his... He can build that, dude. Dude, you can't... Dude, that's stupid. You guys don't have enough team. No one can't grab it. This guy's stupid. Unless Maria can pop up, or... Yeah, he can try to rush for it, but none of us can do anything. Yeah, he's trying to get it, dude, get it. And Maria should just run up there, yeah, and just in case.
running up.
And then everyone just meet up on him. Just run on top of him, defend him. I'll defend our base. Because I should be popping up in a few seconds. So everyone just mount up and rush to him.
Yeah, me and Gabe are already on it.
Enough wait. Let us depart. Yes. The enemy.
Gabe attacked. Yes.
I got a generator. Oh, fuck it out of the square. Circle. Square. Oh my god. Math.
Okay, I'm running. Okay, Cho'Gath, we should focus on that Cho'Gath bastard. Oh shit. Just focus on him. Yeah, I'm right. Just go focus on him. Focus on him, Maria.
I am.
The enemy is attacking your core.
Yay. That was awesome.
Awesome.
Victory.
That was a close one.
You're walking for the carry? Bullshit.
Oh, yes. Wow. That guy's a dick.
You're walking for that carry? Oh, you did, dude.
Like you carried us, please. You
Dude.
died more than anyone else.
Not even.
No, I died the most.
Dude, watch. We'll look at the stats. Oh yeah, he was on top. But dude, look at that. He didn't even get any kills. How? I should be MVP, not him.
I know I died a lot, but
No, I got more. That's always good kills. Dude, he barely contributed. The only thing he really contributed was hero assists and such, but... Dude, yeah, he didn't carry, dude. That's stupid. Saying he carried. That's the most stupidest shit I've ever heard in my life.
oh well.
Oh, it's gonna be 10 o'clock.
I know. We can have one more game. If you think it can go by pretty fast.
Nah, I don't know.
No, you know what? I should probably just get off and get ready.
Okay.
Oh, you say that.
Yeah.
Alright, it was good playing with you guys.
Yeah.
Nice, Fred.
Pick up, let's play StarCraft.
Yeah, go play your StarCraft.
Yeah, but dude, that guy did not carry us, dude. that was, dude. No, that was just us, you know, like with doing teamwork, dude. There was no way he carried.
It's so weird.
And for him saying he carried that's bullshit, dude. No, he did not carry us.
Yeah, and I can really see that. Welcome to Fury, like, what the heck?
StarCraft, because I really want to try out that that cooperative thing, whatever it's called.
Yeah, I want to see it because I haven't tried it
Okay, game. I need to wait for StarCraft to launch first before I can hit it. There we go, StarCraft. OBS. Wait, oh yeah, there it goes. Cool. Oh yeah, I can also remove Maria since she's not there anymore. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna be playing StarCraft. Oh yeah. But no, like, yeah, dude, no, he didn't carry us, dude. Because, dude, he was even being like, oh yeah, you know, we're gonna lose.
Yeah, no.
Dude, you know, we would have won more if he was actually reading the map, because I was looking at some stuff, dude. There was a part, like, he could have came in and assist and helped us kill some people, and there was even a part where he could have gone, you know, like, he could have captured the, you know, the dragon right away, but he didn't. He was just running around being stupid. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, go to options, go to full screen, because StarCraft you cannot play in window mode. It's hard to play in window mode in StarCraft. Okay, invite Gabe.
What the fuck?
Invite sent. Yeah, cool up.
Watching Double Dragon. Such an old movie classic. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go Terran, dude, just because I'm better with Terran bases, anyways. But I say let's play normal. Well, we can't play any higher than that. We have to be at level 7 to even play hard, and level 50 to even play brutal. But I want to do normal because it gives us a 20% bonus XP.
Okay.
Because if you play casual, we get no bonus XP. So. And I don't want to do random missions. I want to do everything side by side. Well, not side by side, but you know, like.
So you can't be Warzone, Zergra, or Sworn.
I can't be the last 3 characters. I'm going to be the first 3.
Okay.
Are you going to accept my invite?
No, I'm inviting you. I have the game. Why would I join your party?
Okay, whatever. Then send me an invite then. Okay. Make the difficulty to normal. And pick the first mission. I don't want to do random missions.
Okay. It's okay, the last 2 characters are recommended for people with like higher experience level.
Yeah. So like for experienced players, so. Which is kinda cool.
This is the first mission?
It should be the
Rifts the Coral or whatever?
just do from top to bottom, you know.
Yeah.
It's funny if you do random though, you get bonus XP. But let's just do all the missions first, and then we could just later on we could do random just for whatever, you know, for the bonus XP. But for now, I just want to do the missions because I want to see the story for it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I should hit ready. I forgot.
Checking out my units real quick. See what we have.
Yeah, these guys, Rainer pretty much has the units I like anyway, so.
Now it says it's waiting for you.
Ah. Bum, 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 bum. It's just so stupid. That looks sick.
Yeah, I know. What the heck?
Cuba Stigma, Gamer Stigma, that's fine. I forgot I did the clan tag yesterday. Looks like you've removed yours then.
I didn't remove my fucking what's his name probably kicked me out of it.
Who?
Whoever was in it, because wasn't fucking what's his name in it? Stupid ass.
James?
Yeah.
No, but he couldn't do anything because I was the leader of the guild.
Sure, because I'm the.
Oh wait, yeah, you made the guild. Forgot about that, fucking asshole. Because I was gonna make it, then he ended up doing all stupid. Okay, mission: destroy shards. Prevent shards from activating. Okay, so that's our missions.
I really want to play it once school's over. I'm gonna play The Sims 4 and I'm gonna buy all the expansion packs.